How to create an aesthetic custom progress bar in Notion. Firstly, set all of your habits using the checkbox property. Next, add a formula property and follow these 5 steps. Step 1. Add let's function so that you can create multiple variables. Step 2. Calculate the total number of successful habits by using the toNumber functions on each habit and use this as the value for variable 1. Step 3. Calculate the percentage of the total number of successful habits as the value for variable 2. Step 4. Use if statements to set conditions according to the amount of successful habits using your choices of emoji. Step 5. Add the square emoji to make it look much better. Follow for more Notion tips, tutorial and hacks.